This is a zebra. Zebras live on the safari. It's a hippo. Hippos like water. It's an elephant. The elephant has a long trunk. It's a giraffe. It has a long neck. This is a lion. The lion roars. It's a crocodile. The crocodile has a long mouth. It's a rhino. It has a horn on its nose. This is an ostrich. The ostrich has long legs. All the animals are home. That was fun. Let's do it again.